Okay, I'm going to show you guys right quick when you're adding the Flipgrid links to your modules in Blackboard. When you copy the link, let me go over here back to the educator side so you can see. Okay, so when you get the link, let me do Flipgrid 2 because I already did the first one. So I need this code right here. So I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to go into my Flipgrid course, into my Blackboard course, and go into the module. That was a little bit clumsy, but let me go to it. Okay, so I need to go to Flipgrid 2, this one. Okay. When I paste this link right here, this is good, but the problem is the student can't click on it. If I hit submit right now, the student can't click on it. So all you need to do is highlight the link and then go to this icon that looks like a chain, insert edit link, paste it here, and then I always like to put open in a new window, and then the title, this is Flipgrid 2. Always put a title. It has something to do with accessibility, and so always put a title or a description or whatever it asks for. So insert, and so now it's underlined, and then when I hit submit, the student can click on it right from the module, and they don't have to copy and paste it into a new browser. Just a note that I see it here. I've been trying to add this, when is this assignment due, to a couple of assignments just so they're remembering to check their course calendar, since I don't put the due dates within the module because there's just too many assignments. So if you're seeing that they're having trouble knowing when things are due, add this. You can always go in and edit an item and then just add this little line to any assignment, and hopefully that'll help them remember that the course calendar is really, really important. Okay, hope this helps.